There you go. It's moving. 4. There you go. Yeah. That was good. 6. This is your bread and butter. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Back kick. A bread and butter move. See right here. That wears down. If he doesn't move out of the way, this wears down the arm. See? If he's going to stand there, that wears down the arm. See? There's only so many kicks that you can take from the arm. 10, 11. Okay, other side. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psych it. 2. 3. Good. Good adjustment. There's no right way. Whatever works. There you go. 4. That was a nice adjustment. I like that little half circle. 5. Step. Half step jumping round kick right there. Half step. Boom. Yeah, see? Right off there. So try that jumping round kick, Colin. Go with what you're really strong with. Yeah, that's nice. That's a good reaction. Go with your strong move. Sequence. Okay, one more time. Whoa. Yeah, there was there's a disconnect. All right, sets. Go half speed on sets. That's nice. That worked good. Go into the jumping sequence. See what I'm saying? Where you have your back turned to me, then go into that jumping round kick from there. Yeah, see? Inside crescent. So you got your back to me, do your tornado. Yeah, you could be hook kick. See up here. You could be hook kick, you could be jumping round kick. There, see you got your back to me.